Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Missybeelondon. This is the end result and you're going to see the tutorial of how I created this hairstyle using natural hair clippings. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, my hair is in 4 sections, 2 at the front which are narrow to do flat twist, and the 2 at the back are in ponytails. So yes, let's get into this. As you can see, I am doing the first side. I'm doing it a flat twist going down my head. Literally going down my head. Did I say welcome to my channel already? Welcome to my channel. I am doing a natural hair tutorial with natural hair clippings from To All My Black Girls. The hair type is KINKY coarse and it's going to be 18 inches. I'm telling you this information a bit too quick, ain't I? Because I'm not even using the clippings yet. But let me finish doing this side. And let's get on to the other side doing the flat twist. I know, you know me and edges, yeah. Me and edge control don't work here. So I just let my edges be because I just can't be bothered for real. I don't want to do too much to them. And I want them to come back strong because I've got damaged edges as well, but I just deal with it. So I'm just doing this side in a flat twist. So both sides are in flat twist, as you can see. Quick and simple. I did the parting lines off camera because it's easier for me to do that than to do the parting lines on camera, and you see me struggling to get the parting lines straight and all that stuff. Cuts out the time, innit? Simple. All you need is a comb to get the parting line straight. So I twist the ends of my hair. I could have plaited it, but I just twisted it. Make life easy, innit? Simple. So as you see, this is half of the hairstyle done. Let's go on to adding the natural hair clippings. And I repeat again, they are from To All My Black Girls. The hair type is natural hair, KINKY coarse, 18 inches. As you see, I've just secured the first clip into my head and then I wrap it around as much as I can, and then I secure it again with the last clipping on this weft. That's what I do. Simple. This hairstyle only took like more than 10 minutes, I will say. And then I got a little section from the end and I just wrap that little bit of hair around the ponytail so it covers the connection with the hair and my hair to make it look more realistic. Yeah, I think if I was doing this off camera it would have been quicker, but I did this on camera so it took more than 10 minutes. Yeah, I needed hair bands and I didn't have any hair bands. I looked on the table, no hair bands, as in the rubber bands, elastic hair bands, but I had to make do, literally. So I wrapped the end a little bit and then I wrap that around the bun again to give me a little puff. Literally a little puff. Sounds so funny, but I had hairpins. I make sure keep my hairpins on the table because I know how it goes when I do hairstyles and I need hairpins. So I had a hairpin. I use it at the end of that section to tuck it in, and there you go. And there's me fiddling about. Hopefully you can't hear what's going on outside. I swear Saturday is a busy day out on road, people making noise, cars making noise, but hey. And I repeat the same process on this other ponytail on the other side of my head. So the first clipping, I attach it to my ponytail and hair, and then I wrap the weft around as much as I can, and I make sure the last clipping on that weft, I secure it onto my hair. And the end of that weft, I take a little bit of hair. There you go. And then I wrap that little bit of hair around the bun as much as I can, and then I get a bobby pin, hairpin, to secure that little bit so it doesn't come out. Me and my voiceovers, I'm laughing at my own voiceover for real. I've got to make it fun, haven't I? I feel tired, but I gotta make it fun. And I do the same process again with the hair. I wrap it around. I use a bobby pin to secure it, to give my hair that bun effect. It's like I got Mickey Mouse ears, ain't it? Well, I don't have Mickey Mouse ears on my head, but I do like this hairstyle though. I'm rocking it even now. I did this video like late night last night, shall I say, or the night that I recorded it, shall I say. But what do you think though? I need to do more creative styles with these clip-ins, but I like this though. That's the end result. I'm just there looking in the camera. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was useful. If you are new, hope you can subscribe. If you're returning, thank you for returning. Like I said, hope it was useful. I have a discount code if you like to go on the website. To all my black girls, check out the hair. There you go. Information in description box. And thank you for watching again. I'm outside. That sun hit me good. But yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.